The Bajaj Pulsar 125 is a motorcycle built for those who crave performance, reliability, and style in a single package. It seamlessly combines advanced technology, striking design, and an engine that delivers power and efficiency. Every ride on the Pulsar 125 is a thrilling experience, thanks to its refined engine and smooth transmission system. The motorcycle's performance is matched by its sporty aesthetics, featuring bold decals and a dynamic body design that is sure to grab attention on the road. It is a machine that resonates with the spirit of adventure and freedom, appealing to riders who seek both practicality and excitement. This motorcycle is powered by a robust 125cc DTSI engine, which offers excellent acceleration and torque. Its fuel injection system ensures efficient fuel usage, delivering a perfect balance of power and economy. The Pulsar 125's sporty exhaust note adds to its appeal, creating a sense of excitement every time you start the engine. Its responsive throttle and smooth gear shifts make it a joy to ride in all conditions, whether on bustling city streets or open highways. The ergonomic design ensures that riders of all sizes can enjoy a comfortable riding position, minimizing fatigue even on long journeys. The Pulsar 125 is equipped with advanced suspension systems that absorb shocks and bumps with ease, offering superior comfort on uneven roads. Its twin rear shocks and telescopic front forks provide stability and smooth handling, making every ride enjoyable. The bike's frame is designed for maximum rigidity and control, ensuring confidence-inspiring handling around sharp corners. Its lightweight structure enhances agility, allowing riders to maneuver easily through traffic or on tight curves. The Pulsar 125 delivers exceptional braking performance with its front disc and rear drum brakes, combined with a combi braking system for added safety. The design of the Bajaj Pulsar 125 reflects its sporty DNA, with sharp lines and aggressive styling. Its muscular tank, stylish grab rails, and split-seat design give it a bold and athletic look. The LED tail lamp, projector headlamp, and sleek indicators add a modern touch, ensuring visibility and safety in all lighting conditions. The premium paint finish and vibrant color options enhance the bike's visual appeal, making it a head-turner on the streets. The bike's alloy wheels and tubeless tires add to its sporty aesthetics while providing excellent grip and stability. Bajaj has equipped the Pulsar 125 with a fully digital instrument cluster, displaying essential information like speed, fuel level, trip meters, and more. The cluster is designed for easy readability, ensuring that riders can access critical data at a glance. The bike also features a pass switch, electric start, and an engine kill switch for added convenience. Its spacious seat provides ample room for both rider and pillion, ensuring comfort on long rides. The thoughtful design includes a luggage hook and practical storage solutions, making it suitable for daily commuting and long-distance travel alike. The Pulsar 125 is not just about performance, it is built with durability and reliability in mind. Its engine is designed to withstand rigorous use while maintaining efficiency and power. The robust frame and high-quality components ensure that the bike can handle challenging conditions with ease. Bajaj's focus on quality and precision engineering is evident in every aspect of the Pulsar 125, from its build quality to its advanced features. The bike's maintenance costs are minimal, making it an economical choice for long-term ownership. This motorcycle is ideal for a wide range of riders, from students to professionals, who seek a blend of practicality and style. Its compact size and lightweight make it suitable for navigating city traffic, while its powerful engine ensures excellent performance on highways. The Pulsar 125's exceptional fuel efficiency and affordable price make it a popular choice among budget-conscious buyers. It is a motorcycle that adapts to the rider's lifestyle, whether it's for daily commuting, weekend getaways, or simply exploring the open road. Safety is a priority in the design of the Pulsar 125. Its bright headlamp provides excellent visibility at night, while the LED tail lamp ensures that the bike is easily seen by other road users. The combi braking system enhances stability during sudden braking, preventing skidding and improving control. The bike's tubeless tires reduce the risk of sudden deflation, adding an extra layer of safety. Bajaj's commitment to rider safety is evident in the Pulsar 125's advanced features, making it a reliable and secure choice for riders of all skill levels. The Pulsar 125's engine is tuned for optimal performance while minimizing emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option. Its low carbon footprint reflects Bajaj's dedication to sustainability and innovation. The motorcycle's eco-friendly technology ensures that it meets strict emission standards without compromising performance. Bajaj's focus on innovation extends to the Pulsar 125's design and features, making it a leader in its class. The bike is built to exceed expectations, offering unmatched value for money and a superior riding experience. The Pulsar 125 is not just a motorcycle, it is a symbol of independence and self-expression. It empowers riders to break free from the ordinary and embrace the thrill of adventure. Its sporty design and powerful performance make it a statement of individuality and style. Riding the Pulsar 125 is an experience that goes beyond transportation. It is about freedom, excitement, and connection with the road. The bike's advanced features and superior performance create a sense of confidence and pride in every rider. Bajaj's legacy of excellence is reflected in the Pulsar 125's exceptional build quality and innovative features. The bike is designed to meet the demands of modern riders, offering a seamless blend of technology, performance, and style. Its versatility and practicality make it a favorite among riders of all ages and preferences. The Pulsar 125 is a motorcycle that inspires trust and admiration, setting a benchmark for performance and reliability in the 125cc segment. It is a bike that stands out in every aspect, from its striking design to its unmatched performance, making it a true icon on the roads. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.